Hello YouTube, this is Valiant Customs. I'm Steve. Welcome to the channel. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Today we're going to be working on my 89 lowrider. But well, let me turn you around real quick here. Here's my 88 lowrider. I think she looks pretty good. It's got a C-notch on the, or a flip kit on the back. It's got 3-inch drop springs on the front, and that's it. And it sits really good. It's good height for my wife to drive it, so she's not, worried about potholes here in Michigan, because we have tons of them. And she doesn't have to, she doesn't really have to worry about any bumps or anything like that, and it's fine. But I'm gonna go inside here and oh, I did let me back up here. From my last video, I did get the piece of trim on there. I got everything pretty much tightened up. I do not have the bolts in the bed yet, but all the suspension in the rear and everything is tight. I have to order some center caps for these, because I believe we're going to end up using these and just polishing them up, because they do kind of polish up. And I think the truck does look kind of nice with the wide tires on it. But enough of this truck. Let's get inside and work on the other one. I'll bring you back. All right, so now on this one, on this one, I have a few things I want to do to it. I want to replace the idler arm and maybe possibly the pitman arm, because it's got some play in the steering. I really notice it when I goose it, or when I get on it. It kind of kicks to one side when it takes off. I do, and I also want to fix the inside door handle on this driver's side. It must have came off the pulley that I got in there or something. But let me go ahead and get you set up, and I'm going to go ahead and get started on this and get this done. So the parts that I want to get, the part I want to get is this idler arm right here. And this looks like a pretty nice one. I mean, it's got all the grease zerks on it. It looks like it was a good one. It just, maybe it didn't get greased all the time or something, so it blew up. I don't know, but or maybe it's still good. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out. I guess I'll find out when I get it loose and go from there. Took me a minute to, I'm looking for an extension. And I don't know if you guys have the same problem or not, but I go to use a part or a tool. See, I can't even find the right one. I got to use two small ones. But anyway, so I need an extension. Can't find it. Looked all over. Looked in the front garage. Looked in my shop. Can't find the thing anywhere. So now I got to make do. But guaranteed, 5 minutes after I'm done with this job or doing this, it's going to pop up and like it was right there the whole time. So anyways, let's go ahead and get this out of here. I'm going to go ahead and just put you in hyperdrive for it. All right, so we're getting a little frustrated here. So I'm going to go ahead and try to fish a socket and everything through the frame on the other side so that I can pop these off of here, and hopefully we can get these off of here. I'll bring you back in a minute. All right, so here she is, a little dirty, starting out or back out in the field. I was calling her Scarecrow because she was scary and she was out in the field, but now the name doesn't seem to really fit her very well. But no matter what, this is the giveaway truck. So go to Valiant Customs and become a subscriber. And when I meet 10,000 subscribers, I'm giving this truck away. Details will be more when I'm closer to my 10,000 subscribers. So remember, Valiant Customs, subscribe. Thanks. All right, well, I really don't know where I'm at in this video. I tried restarting it, I don't know, at least 2 times, if not 3. I believe I started on the, I think it's actually ended on the idler arm for the lowrider, the blue lowrider. For my first, I don't even know now. Got the blue lowrider and I got the blue and silver. The 89 lowrider, the blue one with the American Racing wheels. That one got the idler arm put on it. Didn't record it, got a little frustrated. Haven't even replaced the Pitman arm on it yet. Got to do that at some point. But I got out here. By now the video or the short that I did on the giveaway truck is probably out. So I did have the giveaway truck out, drove it around. The alignment is horrible on it. I got to get that fixed. But the rest of the time, you can tell the shop's kind of messed up. I got drywall put up from, the different colored drywall right there, right there, right there, right there, and then all the way down at the end. I put those up. What else? Got the blue and silver lowrider, the bed tied down or bolted down on it. Got the rear lights hooked up. Got the rear lights actually working. Back when my son had the truck, he had it in the shop and everything else, and nobody could seem to figure out why the lights were doing what they were doing. I ended up getting a brand new wiring harness for the taillights, and the brand new wiring harness, believe it or not, comes with 2 grounds on it, 1 on each side for each light. Put those on, got it, and wouldn't you know, the lights work great. So that truck is pretty much ready for my wife to take and go to car shows with. Let's see, what else? I got to get started on this one. I don't think it's going to be in the next video, but I got to get started on it, get it ready for this summer to paint it. And then this one. This is the one that maybe you guys are as anxious about it as what I am. I'm ready to get on this thing. So once I get that one painted, then I'm going to get on this one. So sorry that the video is all over the place. And and I also, on this side over here, I finished all the black discs up on the ceiling. I had to finish those. This side I haven't finished yet. You can tell because there's no black discs over there. There's some, but not all of them. So I got to finish that. What else? Yeah, just a lot of time out in the shop, moving things around, sweeping underneath things, trying to get things more something. And I guess that's it. If you guys could all pray for my friend Bill Cameron for Edge of Eternity. He needs some prayer for a speedy recovery. He had surgery. He had surgery. I'm not going to go too much into it, but I would appreciate it if you guys would pray for him for a speedy recovery. Okay, well, with all that and enough rambling on, I'm going to go ahead and close out, and then I'll just maybe do a quick walk around both trucks, both lowriders, or both blue lowriders. And we'll call that the end of a video. So just remember, guys, get out in your shop or get you a car out of a field or something, revive it and drive it. That's all I can say. So thank you very much for watching. God bless you, and I'll catch you on the next one.